people on the way. Okay, so maybe people up in Litchfield or people up in Springfield, if there are any Polish people down there. All right. Okay, so yeah, guys, definitely yeah, the I mean, I'm moving in the right direction, guys, but for some reason the old GPS lady here has gone berserk. Okay, so now I think it's found its way back. So yeah, Rita, sorry about that. But Rita, yeah, your sausage will be famous. Piekutowski's Deli, because definitely I am gonna enjoy, because in essence I do have a refrigerator on the back of my bike. You see, I have a refrigerator on the back of my bike, and even though it's not needed, so yeah, guys, we got some like minutes to Forest Park, but I think we are actually doing a really good time. But check out the gas, guys, here. $2.79, $2.79 for a gallon of gas down here in Missouri. Okay. Yeah, guys, if you are cycling down here, guys, there's a lot of glass on these streets here, so be very, very, very aware. Be very aware. Fifth Missionary Baptist Church. You're right. Yeah, we keep going straight. Big beautiful school here. Beaumont High School. Wow. Beaumont High. Alright, they actually have a roundabout here, guys. And this is called Fairground Park. Oh wow, there's a local chop suey here, guys, which I bet is amazing because it's not even open yet. The really good ones don't tend to open up until like 5 p.m. or something. So yeah, guys, aren't you guys glad I took you on a bit of a non-touristy ride here? Yeah, a little bit of a non-touristy ride. You get to see some real life in the city. Ashland Place. Looks like a nice little gated community. And yeah, guys, the Noble Drew Ali Avenue here. There's California Place. Wow. Rear Place, and there's some massively beautiful homes on that side. Very reminiscent, guys, of the for me, of southeast London, actually, or southwest London. Although after reading about some of the architectural history and design of the city, it said that it's actually built mostly in the Italianate, French Italianate revolutionaries, or French Revolutionary and Italianate style, I believe it was. But that street back there just instantly brought me back to southwest London, where one of my really good friends lives. Changing lives today, smoke shop. Yeah. Welcome